Come on now, bud. 3, 2, 1. Hello, my name is St.Claire, and this is the world's most rock and roll craft channel. Welcome, we're glad you're here. Today, we're making a kite. Oh, didn't fly. It will though. Let's go again. And today's the last day of holidays, which means I only have one day to do a craft project, which I promised myself I would do over this break. So we're going to make a kite. Here is everything you will need. And it's starting to rain, so let's get this done quickly, eh? Yes, I am cheating. I have got kites that I just bought for like $2 each. And we're going to take those apart. And this will... It's also raining, so apologies if you can hear stuff. Can you hear that? Hear that? Oh, this is really raining. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. This is... Hello, sorry to interrupt. I'm just editing this, and I've realized I do need to offer an apology. I'm sorry. I really did try to make this one a straight up and down tutorial how to make a pretty kite. No funny business, but things got weird. While I was making this, without realizing it, I experienced 4 quite extreme weather phenomenon in one afternoon. Perfect example, it's raining at the start of this clip and has finished by the end of it. Typical luck, it was fine yesterday when I had time to do this, but decided just to sit. So yeah, if it looks as though I'm off my game in this part, I was. But we have made the what are these things? The bones of our kite. And we've done that by cutting up 2 different kites and adding them together. So I just taped them together down here, because what we're going to make, we're making a tribute kite to the cushion stool thing that I made. It's the best thing that I've made this year, and I made it a lot and I love it. So we're making a heart kite that's right down here. Make some space. Excuse me. Ooh. Cut out like a big heart around this, do frills around it, and that is going to be the kite. The material that I've got is nylon, so it will keep and hold the wind, but because of that we do need to make some changes to the sewing machine. Mainly I've got some very, very fine small needles. Can you see? I don't really know what the numbers mean, but this is small, I think. And instead of cotton we are using polyester. We're rushing through this because I'm terrified it's going to rain again and I might have to move inside, but we're on vacation, so outside. How good does that look? I also added a tail because you've got to have like a heavier bit at the bottom. This is ribbon, this is nylon, heavier, so this is at the bottom. There we go. Let's compare them. Here's one. Here's the other. Here's one, here's the other. How does it look? I don't think I'm gonna put a I love yo on it. Changed my mind, I'm gonna put a I love yo on it. Start the music again. It says I love you because I again ran out of space. And yes, today is a weird weather day. It was a storm like 15 minutes ago, but all we have to do now is we're gonna put the skeleton bit in it, string it up, then go fly. Time to test. I think the tail is too heavy, so I trimmed the tail, but the kite still wouldn't fly above my head. So for the next 45 minutes, I made adjustments. My name is St.Claire, leave a comment! I did it! It bends a lot, so it doesn't actually look like a heart too much, but I did it! I did it! Oh, look at that! Can you see that? One sec. Thank you for watching. My name is St.Claire. Remember to love yourself. I love y'all. Thank you. I'll see you for Valentine's Day. Come on, fly, this is my end shot.